Hey guys. Okay, so can I rent out the lower level of my house? 99% of the time, the answer is no. No, 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 one last time. No, you cannot. The cold hard truth, the reality is that it just simply does not stack up from a town planning perspective. And if by some miracle it gets through town planning, you're going to find that it's not going to stack up from a financial feasibility perspective. Now, I swear I've recorded a video on this topic in the past, but last week when this question came up, I could not for the life of me track down that video to be able to reference to the person. Then yesterday when I was on site at Greenslopes, the question came up again. So I went, you know what? The universe is talking to me. I've got to record a video on this topic. So hopefully it's not a duplicate. If it is a duplicate, hopefully those of you that are watching right now haven't seen the original. And if you have seen the original, hopefully it's like a little refresher for you out there. Okay, so what do you need to know? First, we're going to talk town planning rules and requirements. These things being dual occupancies, are generally not supported in low density residential zone or character residential zone. So most of the time you'll find that you don't have the right zoning for this type of use. If by some miracle you're in like character residential 2 or LMR 2 or 3, those sort of zones that do support dual occupancy, great. You're going to get caught on land size. Sorry, hate to break it to you. So when it comes to CR2, you need 800 square meters, pretty much, generally speaking, and LMR2 you need 600 square meters, again, generally speaking. If by some miracle you happen to have the right zoning, you happen to have the right site area, you're probably going to fall over it when it gets to the design requirements. So once you work around the existing house, which most of the time is a character protected house, once you work around that existing house, you're going to find that you don't have enough land area to accommodate car parking, manoeuvring for the car parking, deep planting, aka landscaping, private open space. You get the idea. Now, if you happen to make it all the way through the town planning process, the costs will kill you. Hate to break it to you. So first and foremost, we've got council application fees. They're roughly $7,000. Private town planning fees, probably about the same. Cost of getting proposal plans drawn up, yeah, they could be relatively cheap or not relatively expensive, depending on who you go to. Hey, you might need some specialist reports like an acoustic report. Then, yeah, there's a lot of cost that goes into the DA. If you make it through those costs, then you're going to get the infrastructure charges. I mean, they're just a small amount, $28,000 or just over $28,000. Hey, if you get through that though, that's not the worst of it. Then you got certification costs. The certifier most often is going to turn around and say, yeah, so you need to fire rate the underside of that house. And that is going to kill you. I'm going to tell you now, every single person that has ever come to me with this sort of inquiry that has made it all the way through to that stage, that is the one that kicks them, that kills them, brings them down. They never recover from it. They never go ahead. So yeah, obviously renting out the lower level, I totally understand. It's a great little money earner. But when you look at all the hurdles you've got to get through from a town planning perspective, and then you look at all the costs, I mean, $28,000 for infrastructure charges alone, it just simply does not stack up. Sorry to be the Debbie Downer. Sorry to be the one breaking the bad news. Okay, that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.